Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am your host Vishakha Thakur. It's Monday, the day we bring latest updates from the Main Street, a bunch of curated stories in the Web3 space, giving you the flavor of market activity and the fresh deals struck during this week. We have collated deals from varied segments in this show so that you, our viewers, stay well informed of the latest developments and benefit from action taking place in this space. But first, a quick look at the trends so far. India's Web3 startup ecosystem is flourishing once again and is poised for a big change. Emergent, a Web3 venture capital firm, reported that India is leading the global adoption of Web3 technologies with over 1,000 startups and 35 million traders. The report further stated India's share of blockchain developers increased from 3% in 2018 to 12% last year, positioning the country as a front runner among emerging markets. And now let's turn to the first deal of the week. Elon Musk's AI venture xAI has announced a $6 billion Series B funding round. The round saw participation from investors including Weller Equity Partners, VY Capital, Anderson Horowitz, Sequoia Capital, Fidelity Management and Research Company, Prince Albalid bin Talal and Kingdom Holding. Well, this round marks a significant milestone for xAI, raising its valuation to $24 billion just 11 months after the company's launch in July 2023. Furthermore, ARK Invest, led by veteran investor Cathie Wood, has acquired a stake in Elon Musk's AI startup xAI, which represents around 2% of the fund's holdings, according to Bloomberg. The announcement was made via email to clients on May 28. And now let's move to the second deal of the week. A crypto startup seeking to use Bitcoin for native staking on other blockchain networks has secured $70 million in fresh funding to fuel its ambitious goals. Babylon, which is aiming to do something never accomplished before, secured the cash from lead investor Paradigm, a prominent crypto venture capital firm. Other contributions came from Bullish Capital and Polychain Capital. And now let's move to the third deal of the week. Node OPS has secured $5 million in seed funding to enhance and simplify blockchain node deployment and management. According to a recent post by NodeOps on social media, the funding round was led by L1D with participation from Blockchain Founders Fund, Finality Capital, Oak Grey Ventures, Momentum 6, Bitscale Capital, and others. And now let's move to the fourth deal of the week. The Web3 AI gaming firm PlayAI has emerged from stealth and announced $4.3 million in seed funding, bringing its total valuation to $70 million. While P2 Ventures, Jump Crypto, AlphaWave, Zentry, Image Ventures, Taiki Block Ventures, and angel investors previously backed PlayAI. The firm intends to use the fresh financing to grow its team in addition to launching stream-to-earn campaigns for gamers and moving towards launching the platform's incentivized testnet. We have reached the fifth and final deal of the show. AI gaming platform Anonymously has raised $1.4 million to build an AI-driven Layer 3 Web3 games platform. Led by Decasonic, with participation from several investors including Shima Capital and Web3 luminary Zeneca, the new funding has amped up Anonymously's value to $11.4 million. Well, that's all in this week's Deal Corner. We will meet again next week with exciting new deals from the Web3 world. Till then, keep watching 3.0 TV. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And for more such updates, log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.